Hi everyone, now we will be talking about the use of the past simple tense. Well, we use it for two distinct situations. First of all, for completed past actions, for actions which we see as historic, which started and finished in the past. Let's look at this more precisely on our full screen table. As we can see here from the first example, I played football yesterday. It is a completed action which started and finished in the past. We don't want to stress the length and the duration of the activity. We only want to say that something happened in the past. The signal word is yesterday, often used with the past simple tense. The second example, he went to cinema last evening. Also a typical example where someone just wants to mention what he did last evening, not to stress the situation, not to stress the feelings, not to emphasize the duration. The signal words of choice are yesterday, last week, you can also name the year, and similar. Now we will skip over to the second reason for using the past simple tense. That is a series of completed actions. So we have more actions which happened one after the other. Let's take a look onto the full screen table and explain how and when. As we can see here from the first example, I came home and I turned on the TV. We have two activities. First, the person came home and then he turned on the TV. He only wants to say that he did one thing after the other. He doesn't want to emphasize or to put an accent on the first action or maybe the second one. He doesn't want to say that one activity was longer or shorter. This is the typical historic form where somebody recounts, where somebody retells what he has experienced. The second example shows it also very nicely. He entered the room, turned around and saw me. Very good example where we see that this past form or this past simple is as simple as it can be. But we use the past simple tense also for another situation. That is when we want to express some past facts or past generalizations. Let's take a look at the full screen table and see how this is done. When expressing past facts and generalizations, we express facts which are no longer true, and these situations are quite similar to the used to form. I used to play, we used to live in Munich, and so on. These examples show it very nicely. Spain was a rich country in the 17th century, so it wants to tell that something was true at some certain period but isn't anymore, a past fact. Or he had a dog, so he used to have a dog but doesn't have one any longer. This is it. I hope that this was instructive so far, so feel free to contact me, and this is it. Ciao.